I will prepare the next background, which will be black as well. I am applying the same black background with NSI Go color, and you can also apply gel polish or gel, but if it has a sticky layer, then you also need to seal it with a top coat and remove the sticky layer. For this design, we will need the sparkles, and I recommend to use glitter of a larger size for this one. And also we will need the same black color, so I will apply it right here. And any small brush, like I am using natural number 1. Oh, and I need to clean it from the glitter first. And by the way, the best way of cleaning is the base coat, but I think I don't have one now with me, so I will use a top coat. So just wash it in the top coat. If this is the brush you're using for gel, if it's the brush for paints, then you need just to wash it in the water. You see, now you can, this excess black, it just went right here. So basically the gel also works, you know, like a water, and we're cleaning. It is cured. And now I will take this brush. Now I'm afraid as it's black on black, but you will see afterwards. So first we will do the line, just random wave. And then we will do another line. Somebody commented today on a Facebook, like, you know, maybe we can do something for the Christmas theme, and I immediately, this design came to my mind. So yeah, I hope we will do something, I mean, some webinar for the Christmas probably too, but this is also some kind of preparation. Oh, okay, you probably, yeah, cannot see it at all. So now, without curing, we have the silver glitter. So bring it really close so you will not waste too much, and simply pour it on top. And you can remove the excess a little bit, but don't touch it, as we can easily ruin it. Oh, you can't see it yet. It will be a surprise. And now cure. I am removing the excess glitter, and we have like really minimalistic no-leaf Christmas tree. And you can, by the way, also add different colors of the decorations of it, and basically you can do anything, you know, geometry, lines, hearts. Those who just been to nail art game, I believe your creative juices are already flowing and you get some ideas of how you can recreate this design. So this is something you can do in the sugar technique. So it's not necessarily just applying glitter all over the nails, which is also an option. I mean, I really like this textured look of large size particles, but you can also do it, you know, in this way.